loves, what is up? If you are new here, my name is AshecaLee. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video, okay? So as y'all can tell by the title, yes, this is gonna be a makeup tutorial. I decided to do this very special occasions type of look because I feel like this look will go with any lip color, and that was what I was going for. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I got this look as well, then definitely keep on watching. Drink some water, stay hydrated. Okay, it's really been like a minute since I've just sat down and did a makeup video. Like, this is crazy. So we're just gonna get into it, y'all. I'm so excited. I need to wipe my mirror off. Okay, it's the best we gonna get. So I'm so excited. All right, so we're just gonna get started with our makeup. So like I said, we're gonna be doing a everyday type of glam, not a everyday, but a makeup look that is great for any lip color. So like a universal makeup look, if that makes sense. So our eyes are gonna be very neutral in a way, but still very warm, because I feel like warm colors, warm tones go with a lot of lip colors. Okay, so I bought a new brow pencil from Benefits because my other one died. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this. This is in the color number 5, and we are just going to comb our eyebrows out, y'all. I've actually been loving the natural eyebrow look lately. It just does better for me. Honestly, I've really been into like a natural beat. Nothing too crazy, and I feel like this pencil gives me the best look of that. So I literally just go in with a little bit of product and just blend throughout my hairs. I just got this one. This one is a little bit more warm tone, but it'll work. My face is breaking out. I have this little bump right here. I have these two right here. And I think it's because I'm not drinking enough water. Y'all know I don't get breakouts, but my skin has just not been agreeing with me. Like, I'll have a good week, 1 week, and then the other week is like terrible. But you know, they usually go away really fast. And I also been having like a lot of freckles coming in. I guess I have my mom to thank for that, but they are just like everywhere. I have a new freckle every morning. It's crazy, but I love them. I have this little piece of brow hair right here that I want to pluck out, but I don't have any tweezers up here. Benefit give me brow gel, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this, mainly towards the end of my brows, because those are the hairs that just do what they want. So next, I'm gonna go in and prime my face. I have been loving my Too Faced Hangover Primer, and also the Laura Mercier Illuminating Primer as well. These two together do me so good. And I'm not gonna lie to you, on some days, like, I really don't use any primer, but when I'm doing like a full beat, I like to go in with primer. And then I go in with the illuminating one right over top of it. Now we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna go in with some concealer on a angular brush, and I'm going to carve out underneath my brows. And I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I like to use this color because it's pretty close to my skin, and I don't want like a really bright highlight underneath my brows, but I'll go in with a lighter concealer from my eyelid. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that Louise base mixed in with the same concealer, and this is just gonna create a lighter base for our eyelids. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and blend out that concealer because we need a smooth base, okay? Yeah, it's been so long since I've done any type of eyeshadow, so pray for me. Juvia's Place palette. So now I'm gonna go into the color Cameroon. Then we're gonna take some of this color. I don't know what type of eyeshadow I'm doing. I'd be lying to y'all if I told y'all I did. No, because I don't. Alright, so right now I just mixed those two colors, and right now what I'm doing is just patting it onto my crease area. I kind of wanted like a little bit more brown color, but this is okay. Lightly fan that color out a little bit. Just like that. Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and we're gonna go in with the contour shade on a little tiny pencil brush, and we're going to dip into that brown color, and then we're going to take it right in the crease area, and we're just gonna press this in like this, and then we're gonna go in with another brush, and we're just going to blend that brown color in our crease really good. You can actually just go in with a really defined brush that you can blend and pack the color in, like concentrate the color. So as y'all can see, this color, this brush right here is really fluffy, but it's also very pointy, so it does a great job by getting in those crease areas. And then we're gonna go back in with that first brush that we used, and we are going to lightly blend these two shades together just to make sure that it's nicely blended. There are no harsh lines and everything looks really good. So right now we have our crease colors coming in full effect. So now here is the exciting part. We're gonna do a little cut crease, and we are going to really define our lid space just to add some type of oomph to the look. Because neutral looks do not have to be boring, okay? So we're gonna go in with that same P. Louise base that we used the first time, the Rumour 0, and this is just like a white concealer shade. This is going to create a really nice and bright base for us to go in with all of our, shadow. Put that on the back of our hand like so, and we're just going to mix it up. I need a little mirror. I'm so nervous, y'all. It's been so long since I've done a cut crease, so let's cross our fingers that I do not screw this up. But we're gonna let the brush do the work, okay? Alright, y'all, look at that. Oh, we did it. Now the hard part is this eye. Alright y'all, so now that we have that done, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia contour palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and we're going to apply this underneath our eyes first. Y'all, this is like empty. So now that our concealer has been sitting on our face for a minute, I'm gonna go in and blend it out with my beauty blender. My concealer underneath my eyes. I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in a shade Medium Tan Sand, and we're going to sit this right in our inner part of our eyes, and then right here on the outer parts. So I have been loving the MAC Studio Fix Fluid concealer. I know it's old, but y'all, it is so good. Like, it's a great coverage for my skin. I've kind of been into like the natural foundation look a little bit, so this is a great foundation. It's really buildable, and I just dab a little bit on my hand to warm it up before putting it on my face. And I don't really put any foundation on my forehead anymore because My forehead is like its own color, so. Next, I'm gonna go in and blend out my foundation. I like to let my concealer sit for a little bit, so I'm gonna use my beauty blender to do this. And we're just going to pat, 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 blend, blend, blend. And we're gonna go in and blend out our concealer as well. So applying your concealer to the outer part of your face and your eye allows your face to kind of get that lifted look. So it's a new thing I've been doing lately and I really, really, really love it. So I still want my highlight to be a little bit brighter, so I'm gonna go in with this Nars Concealer in the shade Custard. And I'm just applying it right here. Now, I normally do not put on 3 concealers, y'all, so don't come for me. Y'all can skip this step if you are okay with how bright your concealer is. I'm not, so I want it to be a little bit brighter. And just do the same thing. Alright guys, so we are looking nice and bright and this looks so good already. So now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey, and we're going to set our concealer. And we're going to apply this with our beauty sponge. Alright y'all, so now that we are looking like Casper the Ghost in this thing, okay, very ashy, very ghostly, like it's just not giving. So I'm going to press the rest of that powder into the areas that I applied it to, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to do this. So next we're gonna go in with our contour, and I'm going to use Anastasia contour kit, and this is in the shade light to medium, and I'm gonna dip into this color and this color just a little bit, okay? And we are going to chisel out our cheekbones because we need to add some definition back into our face, because like I said, it's giving Casper. And I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to do this. Alright y'all, so now that that's done, I'm going to go back and finish up my eyes, and we're going to use the Tarte liquid liner to do this. And we're just going to do a wing, apply our mascara, and then apply our lashes. So next I'm gonna go in with the Nars blush in the shade Orgasm. It's a really cute like pink glittery shade, and I feel like it'll look so cute. And I'm also gonna go in with my OG blush, the Colourpop, of course, and this one is really pigmented, so I just like to tap it on like this. I feel like this way it's more pigmented, because if you know, you know, the first thing that fades away when you wear your makeup is your blush, okay? So I like to pack it on because I know it's going to be the first to go. More setting spray. Alright, and then to tie our look together, we're going to finish up with our lower lash line. And I'm going to apply some eyeliner. And then this is in the shade Pleasure. I'm just gonna swipe. Yes, this is so cute. Wow, I don't even know if I want to put gloss on top of this. This looks so good. And then let's go in with the gloss. Wow, you guys, this looks so good. Wow. Okay, so alright y'all, so that pretty much completes this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was something a little bit different, like a universal look for all different types of lip colors, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know what lip color was your favorite. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what other makeup videos you guys are interested in seeing, because I am popping back into my makeup bag. Okay, are y'all ready? Because I'm ready. So leave some content ideas down below, and it's time to get to work. So this is going to be a little quick prayer instead of the quote of the day. So it says, "Dear God, please calm my mind, heal my heart, and take my worries away. Amen." And with that being said, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.